Every homeowner must be prepared with the proper tools to defend their homes against wildfire.
Hey, my name is Jim Reese. I'm a firefighter in advanced EMT. I'd like to take a moment and give a shout out to my friends at Ace Fire Preparedness and acefirehoses.com. The guys at acefirehoses.com have put together a package to be able to help homeowners to defend their property in the event of a fire or natural disaster. I'd encourage you to take a moment, go to their website, acefirehoses.com, look at what they have to offer, as well as products, training videos. They're here to help you out and to protect your land, your property. Thank you.
I'm a member of the town council. I'm land use secretary. We organized this little fire get together. Our hope for today is that we learn how to work together because our neighborhood is either going to make it or not make it based on our cooperation. That's really the message I've taken away after talking to Kevin quite a bit. Most of you probably don't know that in the 1960s, about 50 houses here actually burned down. So it's a really serious situation, and in my opinion, it's not a matter of if, it's when. Like, we're gonna get hit sometime, and there's a ton of fuel up in the hills. Kip said it hasn't burned since 2005.
All right.
Trying to. Maybe we just stand.
Do you want to go over there, baby?
Yeah, no, I can see. Everybody.
On the end of these things is a little nut wrench. It's so you can pull it down and tighten it up. All right. Even if you get a little leak out of this, you don't care. All right, make sure when they're open, this is going to be parallel with the water flow. When it's perpendicular to it, that means it's off. That works with water meters, water valves, and gas valves.
Yeah.
Which way are we going? Probably that way.
Is this where we should all get out of your way?
No. But like I said, you want to extend it before you charge it. Eric, bring me a nozzle. Hook it up.
The other hydrant's right down there. No? Yellow? Yep.
Hook it up. You get ready. I'm going to charge you up. Right? Hydrant valve. Eric, you ready?
He's giving you the thumbs up.
Things on the back.
Yeah, so think about this. This is where the water's coming out. This is a big gate valve. You're gonna pull this way to open it. You ready? So you want to charge it first this way. Coming up. Car Oh yeah.
Oh,
All right, you
drove
saw
right through the mist.
You saw how that thing jumped, right?
Yeah.
Can you imagine if that had been coiled? I'd be dead.
That's why I'm over here. Hey Kevin, what's the other valve?
Each
So this
side.
is a 2.5 and this is a 4. Okay? Don't worry about hooking up the 4s. Let the fire department hook up to that one. When he pulls up, he's gonna take this one always. Okay? So by having that two, what's that? Yes, they have their own valve. So this is the valve for this side, and this is the valve for that side. Okay? Over here I have my, so I can hook up another line. So if I wanted to defend this way, and I wanted to defend this way, I hook a line, come across here and go across the street. And that's where I might use the ramps going across the street. The problem here is I got both sides of the road I got to worry about. Once you get up in houses, it's only one car wide no matter where you're going.
And those are individual cells, right?
Yes.
75 feet.
Yeah, so I have a valve on both sides here, and then the hydrant has 2 valves, one for each outlet.
Is that a 1.5 hose?
That's a 1.5 inch hose.
1.5, okay.
Right here?
Oh, I see it now. Okay, it was hidden behind them.
Yeah, we'll come over and do that before. All right, so anybody got any questions? We're gonna go down here to the other end of the hose. You ready to show them mist versus stream?
Yeah.
Come on over, guys. As a general statement, when you're going to be fighting a fire in our community to defend, you're really only going to worry about one setting, and that's stream. Okay? You'll see the firefighters use mist when they're going into a building, so they create a water
Shield.
like curtain. Okay, but that's not how we're fighting a fire. Okay, you want to give me some water?
Stream.
Stream. All right,
Hang on, let's go.
go ahead. That's what you want. That's how you're putting the fire out. Okay? That's what you need to look at. You saw how it, as soon as he opens it up, it's going to kick on it. So when you're doing it, you want to have your feet front to back, not side by side, because I've seen more people do this when they open that valve. Although he's got a little more weight than most of us, so he's less
Yeah,
of
the
an...
thing is, okay, using your forearms. Hold it like this, okay? If you don't, it's going to get
jump.
away from you.
Yeah.
So
You want your hand right at the nozzle.
Stance like that. So it's not going to kick. Forearms. You've got to make sure you have forearms, okay? If you're not having forearms, okay, you can be like this. You'll either fracture or break your arms.
No, one person. This is a one-person hose. Unless you're very lightweight. Tina might need a second person because she's all 100 pounds. Yeah, once it opens up, it's actually a little easier to control. It's when you first open it that's going to really jump on you.
Can you adjust the pressure
Why would you?
if you were not as strong to hold the amount of pressure?
Serious question, what he's asking, like, how much do you need?
Well, the problem is that when you reduce the pressure here, you reduce the range that you can fight. Okay, so you're better off having range. You can reduce pressure at the nozzle still. Okay, although usually because it opens up as a valve, a stream, right, and goes to a mist at full open.
So the first is
Yeah, you can get a ball valve on the end of this, but you'd be better off controlling the pressure at the nozzle side as opposed to running back there. Now, another thing I want to emphasize: as much as possible, you should be doing this in twos. Okay, you always should have a buddy that you want to work with, even if it's your wife. Okay, because if you get knocked down, who's calling for help? When he gets out there, gets stupid, you get the call for it. Right? That's how that works. Okay. If for some reason that nozzle and fitting hits him in the head, knocks him out, you're the one that's got to call for help. That's the one thing that we train with CERT is you do everything in 2 or more. Okay. Now, 2 or more maybe we have 2 hoses out when we're 100 feet apart, but that's 2 people still together. I'm monitoring him and he's monitoring me. All right, but if at all possible, don't do stuff by yourself. I can't guarantee that's not going to happen, but your risk goes up exponentially when you do it by yourself. Any questions? Anybody want to come check this out? Anybody want to fire the nozzle? Come on over here.
Kevin, also the other thing we remember, okay, is when it's charged, you're going to hold this, and a car comes going over, it's going to stop it. And you should be wearing red or something. So, I mean,
What? Actually, it shuts the pressure off.
Don't give it to
I'm going to turn it on. Feel the pressure? Yeah.
Okay, car coming.
Car coming, Kim.
Okay. Hold on to it like right here and here, okay? Left or right, the stronger you are, okay? Because, okay? Okay, just right here, but hold on to it real tight, okay? Okay, come tight, all right? One hand here.
200-pound guys doing it.
All right, the other way. Go on, no, you're right.
Open it all the way up.
Go on.
Oh,
Yeah.
you gotta be
Yeah.
braced.
So it's been like,
And please do not fight fires and flip off. No, if you go all the way open,
yeah, stream first and fan.
it opens as a stream and it closes to a fan. Well, a lot of them start as a fan and close as a firefighter, you want to stream first. You don't want to go all the way open again. So it's backwards on firefighting.
Okay, so your left and right handed. Okay, so I'm right handed, so so if you get on this side here, which is your strongest side? Because I hold that, okay. Yeah, all right. See, like what's gonna happen now is, okay, you're right, this right, like what's this hand here, okay, is holding it. So I've got it, okay. If you're doing this hand here, it's gonna go like this.
Okay.
Right, so you want to get it on this side, right side. So if you're right-handed, come on this side here.
Okay, so I'm coming.
Yeah. Otherwise, what's going to happen is, okay?
Okay.
Oh, don't turn on yet.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay.
Not until you say.
Okay, so, okay. Make sure this is, this, when, like, go ahead, open up.
Wait,
Hang
they're
on.
coming.
Okay, open it up. You have more?
Good job, Diana.
Why do you open up? It fans out.
Yeah.
So when you open, it's a stream, and then after that, it fans out.
Good job.
Right hand, left hand? Right hand. Okay, so you're gonna come on this side here, okay? Right hand here. This one here, okay? So you're not.
So you want to do like that?
Yeah, because you're gonna stop it from coming back. If you go it loose, okay? There you go.
That?
Yeah. Wait, please do it. Yeah. Go ahead.
I'm right hand.
Okay, so same thing, okay?
So you get it from the
Uh, coming back. This is the hand you're going to turn with. So like here, okay, you hold it, so I stop it up, kick.
So just hold it like this.
Yeah, and then like, you know, hold it like kick. Yeah, just, you know when to come back, okay, you're going to stop it going back.
Like this.
Yeah, okay.
Watch it.
Oh, this one, yeah.
Not bad at all, actually.
Oh, no. The big ones are more, but it's like, you know, this, okay, like, you know, when it comes to female or they're not going to be able to handle it. This is like, you know, it's not much. But you feel the pressure in you, though.
Yeah, oh, it's solid.
Okay.
I have a hose, and I have a wrench. I've got to get a wrench through you. Did you have a... Now, your carts are inside?
Yes, sir.
How much are the wrenches?
I have two. I have one for $49.99. It's chrome plated, and I have another one for $39.99. That's stainless steel. We like the chrome one because you can keep it on your coffee table and use it as a conversation piece.
I have a
There's
a
nothing
pipe
like
wrench
it.
by my fireplace. It's about that tall. Some guy used it on a job. He only used it once, and he didn't want it anymore. So I bought it up.
Good job.
Your carts are inside?
Right there on that table. You could see the wrench that's there.
Okay, because that water will knock you over. They take off running, okay, or they're communicating with the air, the drop coming in. And they'll communicate. Okay, your guys aren't talking to helicopters.
Oh, it's over
so
there,
you need to
no,
be paying
bam.
attention.
Right, yeah.
If a fixed wing is coming in, there's nothing you're gonna do if you get dropped on.
Because by the time you hear it, it's too late.
And you're
That's going to be fun.
No, not necessarily. It could be the super scoopers. Okay, but he's dropping 2,500 to 4,000 gallons at a high rate of speed. It's a wall of water coming at you.
okay, so you avoid that.
You being on the ground is going to help.
Okay.
Find a tree, hug a tree.
Oh, okay.
Okay, get out of the way. Okay.
How did you like that, honey? Are you ready for firefighting?
Thank you,
Kevin.
Thank you, thank you.
So where are hoses kept? Let's say someone just wants to grab a hose. You have to own your own. Okay?
Yeah, there's no municipal code. There's no. I have hoses on all my neighbors around me. I'll let you know where they are. And like I said, I have two of those, that box like I have in there. I have two of those at my house, and then I have another box that has another 800 feet
The
of
garbage can, Kevin. Galvanized garbage can. That's what the fire department recommends.
Yeah, because they don't burn. Except if it gets to the point where it's burning my hoses, my house is gone anyway.
And then it won't become somebody's food.
Check it. Yes, you should. Yeah, Roy's are pretty old.
Yeah.
I thought Gary got him from Roy, no? Never mind.
Okay, so I would check them. Just hook them up to your hydrant, check them out.
Check them. I had a bunch.